What's up, world? Mr. Da Vinci here, back with another video after so long. I'm back. Before we get into the video, this video is called ClickBank and Facebook ads, and I'm going to show you the best way that I found from personally testing to make money with ClickBank products using Facebook ads. If you're interested in this video, definitely make sure you stick around to the end. I'm going to show you a useful tool that I've been waiting months to get access to, and you may or may not have access to this, but to get this tool you're going to need a Facebook business account, but I'll explain that later as the video goes on. So here we are on clickbank.com. If you don't know what clickbank.com, it is the leading source for digital products. It's been around for over 20 plus years, and today I'm going to show you how to make money promoting these offers by using Facebook ads. So let's get into the video. So what you want to do is, if you're new to ClickBank, you want to come to clickbank.com, make an account. As you can see, I'm already signed in, but I'm assuming that you already have a ClickBank account, or you're looking to get started with ClickBank. If so, I'll leave a link in the description for that. So what we're going to do is scroll down. How I got here, by the way, let me start from the beginning. So this is the home page of clickbank.com. This is where you would log in. If you haven't already logged in, you will scroll down and it will give you an offer to create an account. I'm already logged in, so I don't have to log in. So let's go back to the main website of clickbank.com. This is where it looked like. Right here it says you can create an account. As you see, I just took you to the login page, but once again, I'm already logged in. And now we can get to the good stuff. Now that we got that out the way, we're going to come over to the ClickBank marketplace, and what we want to do is pick a category. Now, the best advice I can give you right now is it's hot outside, at least where I'm at. It's spring, but it feels like summer. So what we want to do is, people still want to do weight loss because they still want to get that summer body, show off, care about other people's perceptions of how they look. But most of my videos we did health and fitness, so I want to switch it up. So this time we're going to go with so many choices: e-business and e-marketing. And if you're wondering why I chose e-business and e-marketing, it's because a lot of people are realizing that working their job is not what they really want to do. And the way how I look at affiliate marketing, e-commerce, SEO, everything that I do, I look at it as an asset by knowing how much it costs me to send traffic there, plus the cost of the customer to convert. Once I figure out the numbers, it's just very simple for me to figure out how much I need to spend to be profitable, or at least to break even. So once you choose your category, you see it's automatically set on popularity. We don't want to do popularity. You want to scroll down here to where it says gravity. Gravity means is how many people are already using this and how many people are already marketing this. This is a pretty cool feature. But yeah, so we want to figure out how many people. You see the gravity for this product is 122.51, which means a lot of people is promoting this. Now, I've been talking with a few people, and they told me that the best way to promote affiliate marketing is to have average total rebuild total, which stands for recurring income month after month until the person you sign up decides to cancel. As you can see, this one offer down here, yeah, the front end offer is $4.72, but after they sign up every month, you will receive $18.32, I believe I'm saying that correctly. So here's what we want to do. We're going to, let's take a look at this 7-minute daily. Let's take a look and see what this looking like. With my tab. Oh, okay. So let's assume that we want to promote this offer. Now, make sure you definitely stay tuned. I'm still about to show you how we about to implement the Facebook ad section of this video into this. Just make sure you stay tuned all the way to the end. So this is the ClickBank affiliate offer that I opened up to show you. What we're going to do is, see, they got good pop-up exit to keep you from exiting out. I mean, you could still exit out, but the average person going to stop and reconsider their actions. So what we want to do is Want to scroll down, check out the offer. Seems okay. Has a video. I'm going to play a brief portion of the video. I promise we get straight into Facebook ads.
Software? Yes, you heard it right. The free software that has helped over 1,500 individuals to generate at least $500 every day online, just like clockwork. In fact, here's what's...
Alright, so the offer seems okay. Personally, the video is straightforward. Some people might have a few bounce rates. Bounce rates mean that they'll click on it, check it out, and leave. That's okay, because we have a mechanism for where we can retarget them. But I'll say that for a later video. So, I like the offer. So, when you find the offer that you want to promote, you just come down, you scroll down, where was I? Like at 7 minutes daily. You hit this nice promote button. It will load up your account. If your account name is not here, you can just type it in. Normally when you sign in, it should have your account already up, but you just go to generate hop links. This is the link that you will copy, and this is how you will get paid. The only way you can get paid is to make sure that it has your link. As you can see, my name's not in this link, but my name when I promote this will be in this link, so definitely make sure you're aware of that. So now, I know you're wondering, okay, this is cool. You showed me how to go to ClickBank. You showed me how to get an offer. You showed me how to check out my offer. So now, how do we make the money from Facebook? Facebook ads, and this is how. Just let my computer reload real fast. So, like I said in the beginning of the video, you will need a business.facebook.com/account. You can completely make this totally for free. Facebook has not charged anyone to do this. I believe anyone who's been on Facebook for at least 2 years, maybe 3 years or longer, is eligible to make an account like this. So, if you have, I will try my best to leave a link in the description for you to sign up. If not, then you can just go to Google, type in business.facebook.com and create an account. My computer tab has crashed right here, so this is what we're going to do. Give me a few seconds here. I literally just opened up my computer, so I didn't have time to, restore all my tabs. We'll just open a new tab, and once here is where the magic happens. Now, I know a lot of you probably on YouTube, you watch Facebook ads and whatnot, but in this specific video, I'm going to show you how you can find the best audience for you to market, and how you can base your targeting based on the right demographics, age, gender, income, a lot of things that they don't really tell you on YouTube videos. So, what we're going to do is we're promoting an offer that is in entrepreneurship. So let's start with that. Here you have the location. You can check the country. For country, we're going to put United States. Let's see if that pops up. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Age, range. See, over here is going to show you the age, but let me give you a better instructions of how this is going to look. So you want to come down here to interest. We said we're going to type in entrepreneurship right there. You put that into Facebook audience insight, and now that you can see, a lot of people like to do 18 through 65 plus, but thanks to using this Facebook tool, it says that this audience has 30 million through 35 million people, and the demographic of entrepreneurship from 18 to 65 plus is 56% women, 44% men. As you can see, the main demographic of people looking for this is the millennials, which is I'm also part of, which is 25 through 34. Then you have people 35 through 44 and 45 through 54. So these two would be your best bang for your buck. But most people on YouTube will tell you just do 18 plus through worldwide and all that. Now that method does work, but I feel it's an outdated method. When you have the data that can show you exactly what you need to know for who you want to target, you can now learn how to speak the language to the people that you try and connect to. As you can see, most people are married, including, according to Facebook, most people are married, who also are looking for entrepreneurship, which is 49%. Then you have people who are single at 30%, who's also looking for entrepreneurship. Then you have education level of people who's in college and people who's in high school. And then, yeah, so it's just something I stumbled across. I'm waiting months for me to get this approved from Facebook. Hopefully you won't have to wait as long as I did. But that was just something that I wanted to share with you, because every time I find something new, I want to share it with you so that you're able to succeed as well. If you like this video, definitely gives me a thumbs up. It helps support the channel a lot. Also helps me with my YouTube SEO, so I'm able to help other people who's looking to do the same thing as you, which is make another side income or make your side income your full-time income. So I definitely appreciate that. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below. I will be responding within the first 24 hours. And for those of you who've been a long-time subscriber, I apologize for the break. I've been going through some things in my life, but I'm in a better position now. I'll show you some videos. I'm going to start vlogging soon, so definitely stay tuned. Share this with a friend if you haven't already. Share this with your coworker, your wife, your spouse, anybody who's looking to make income. I'm here to help you. Say goodbye to your 9 to 5 and say hello to financial freedom and live the life that you deserve. This has been your friend and mentor, Mr. Da Vinci. As always, thanks for tuning in so much. I will see you in the next video. Take care. Subscribe if you're not already.